Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey with Vijay Kumar Srivastav. Recently there were announcement of job vacancies in FCI Food Corporation of India for the post of AGM Assistant General Manager under General Administrations and Technical categories, for which the exams are scheduled in next month July. So today we will discuss about all the syllabus, courses, selection process and how to prepare about that. So let's proceed. First, we should have little introduction about Food Corporation of India. The Food Corporation of India was set up on 1st January 1965 under the Food Corporations Act 1964 in order to fulfill objectives. First one, effective price support operations for safeguarding the interest of the farmers and to provide farmers remunerative prices. Second objective was distribution of food grains throughout the country for public distribution system. Third objective, maintaining satisfactory level of operationals and buffer stocks of food grains to ensure national food security. Fourth is regulate market price to provide food grains to consumers at a reliable price, particularly to vulnerable section of the society. Fifth objective, to maintain buffer stocks as measures of food security. And sixth objective, to intervene in market for price stabilization. Since its inception, Food Corporation of India has played a significant role in India's success in transforming the crisis management oriented food security into a stable security system. For the job vacancies under FCI, the notification was released on 27th February 2021 and online application timeline was given from 1st March 2021 to 31st March 2021. So the candidates, applicants who have submitted the application within this stipulated time period, they will be eligible for shortlisting and consideration of their applications. Those who missed, they have to prepare for next coming year. For the examinations, the admit card will be released before 10 days to the scheduled dates. As examination dates are concerned, it is scheduled in 2 dates. For FCI AGM under Accounts, Technical, Medical and Law Officer category, it is scheduled on 17th July 2021. And for FCI Assistant General Manager General Administration category, the exam is scheduled on 18th July 2021. So the candidates have to select their dates as per their application and preference while application and to present on examination center prior to the scheduled time. Under FCI go down for the selection. The selection procedure is passing through 2 phases. First phase is online test where the weightage is given 90%. So the candidates have to prepare well for online written test and there will be no negative marking while examinations. And second step is interview, which is contributing about weightage of 10%. So for the selection, we have to concentrate on both. As a written test is playing major role of 90% of the marks contribution weightage, so preparation should be well. And after selection in a online written test, we have to pass through interview. So there should be well preparation for the facing interview. For FCI vacancies, the age limit and post are announced. For Assistant General Manager General Administration category, there are 30 posts and the age limit is 30 years, while in case of Assistant General Manager under Technical category and others, there are 27 posts for which the age limit is minimum 28 years. As salary structure is concerned, for FCI AGM under General Administration, it is under the range of 60,000 to 1,80,000, and for FCI AGM's technical category, The salary package scale is from 60,000 to 1,80,000. Now here to understand FCI online exam pattern for 2021 selection process. The exam pattern of the AGM under General Administrations has 4 sections. First section consists of reasoning, data analysis, numerical ability. Second section general awareness. Third section management and ethics. And fourth section agriculture economics and computer awareness. Each section carries 45 questions and the total time duration of the exam is 150 minutes, means 2.5 hours. The exam pattern for the other AGMs under technical, accounts, law and medical officer categories, there are 5 sections. First section consists of reasoning, data analysis, numerical ability, which is having the marks of 30 questions. Second section is general awareness with 30 questions. Third section is management and ethics for 30 questions. Agriculture and agriculture economics and computer awareness will we have also 30 questions. And fifth section is of 60 questions which will belong from relevant disciplines. So the total duration for exam is 150 minutes, 2.5 hours. Now here we will go through educational qualification and experience requirement as a terms condition. First to discuss about FCI AGM under general administration category, where the candidates should have post-graduation degree or equivalent from recognized university with least 55% marks. And ACA or AICWA or ACS candidates are also eligible. Or there should be bachelor's degree in law or 5 years integrated course in law from recognized university with minimum 55% marks. In case of SC/ST, there is some relaxations about minimum percentage, and it is 50% instead of 55% to the other categories. Now to go through the educational qualification and experience criteria for AGMs under technical category. The candidates should have degree in BSc Agriculture or BTech degree in Food Science or Food Technology, BTech degree in Agriculture Engineering, or there should be BTech degree in Food Technology or Food Processing Technology, Industrial Biotechnology or Biotechnology, Biochemical Engineering, Agriculture Biotechnology. Means under these category qualifications there should be minimum 55% of the marks to qualify for application. In case of SC/ST, the marks is requirement only 50% instead of 55% to the other categories. Now here we will focus on syllabus to complete this online test and interview. The first section is general awareness and current affairs, where we have to focus on current affairs, banking and banking terms, geography, economy, current national and international events, sports, awards, authors, culture and religion, discoveries, disease and nutrition, science. So under general awareness and current affairs there is no limit, so candidates have to prepare well on current ongoing condition and national and international events. Second section is management and ethics. The topics of management and ethics is fundamentals of management, concept of organizational behavior, personality, motivation, leadership qualities, organizational changes, ethics at the workplace, corporate governance, theories of ethics, moral issues in business, ethical principles in business. So this section is mainly contributing on competitive skills and personality development and behavioral activities. So to meet the interviews and development of the team and delivering the best result, this management and ethics section is playing important role. Next section is reasoning, data analysis and numerical abilities. Under reasoning, we have to focus on different type of questions like verbal reasoning, the circular sitting arrangement, linear sitting arrangement, these directions and distances, coding, decoding, courses of action, critical reasoning, analytical skills, etc. While in case of data analysis, we have to focus on these graphs like tabular graphs, linear graphs, pie charts, bar graph, bar diagrams, radar graphs, and other like data sufficiency, probability, and combinations, etc. While in case of numerical ability, there should be data interpretation, quadratic equations, and these miscellaneous arithmetic problems, HCF, LCMs, profit losses, these problems related to ages, work and time, speed, probability, mensuration. So there are various topics and there is no limitation, so we have to go for much and much more practice for numerical ability because we are having the less timings in exams. So the practice will give us clear direction and improvement in our efficiency. Third section comprises of agriculture economics and computer awareness. So here, as agriculture is concerned, it is a wide topic and FCI is mostly related to agricultural work, so we should have better theoretical as well as practical knowledge about agriculture. So we will discuss in details about the syllabus for agriculture. It is consisting of broad topics like agriculture, agronomy, its definitions and scopes. We have to go through major crops which are grown in our country and the principle and practices of crop production, cropping pattern, classification of crops. Another is soil types, where we should have well knowledge about soil physical, chemical and biological properties, different type of soils in India, soil and water conservation, major soil types, soil fertility, fertilizers, soil erosion, soil and water conservation methods, integrated watershed management and water resources to meet the irrigation requirement. Under irrigation management, we have to go through different types of irrigation, sources of irrigation, crops water requirement, this command area development, water conservation techniques, focus on micro irrigation, role of micro irrigation in increasing irrigation efficiencies, irrigation pumps, major, medium and minor irrigation projects, water use efficiency, etc. Then agroclimatic zones of country, the physical and social environment which and other factors which are affecting crop distribution and production. Under agroecology, we have to go through cropping patterns, environment, pollutions and associated hazards, greenhouse effects, global warming, natural resources and their sustainable management and conservation. Different type of cropping systems and system of crop intensification, crop diversifications, etc. Dryland agriculture, cultivation and problem of dry land and rain-fed farming. There should be also on seed production, principles and practices, seed processing, seed village concept, seed testing, seed standards, etc. These days their technology is developing, so the diversion is towards precision farming, where we have to go through technical transformations and remote sensing, etc. Then organic farming, its role, use of biofertilizers, green manuring to improve the physical and properties of the soil. Then agriculture extension, its importance and role, methods of different extension evaluations, role of Krishi Vigyan Kendraj KVK, and implementation of different agriculture technologies at field level and awareness to the farmers. And then integrated farming approach, integrated pest management approach. In agriculture, there should be also focus on biotechnology, what are the beneficial and harmful microbes, genetic engineering, these biotechnological principles, and development of GM crops. After that, forestry, one of the important chapter in agriculture, which will consider basic concepts of forest and forestry, social and farm forestry, principles of silviculture, forest mensuration, forest management, Forest Act and government regulations, etc. After that, there should be also knowledge about storage, transport and marketing of agriculture produce, and FCI, warehousing, then e-technology facilities for the farmers, plantation and horticulture, post-harvest technology and post-harvest management, and emphasizing value and supply chain management. There should be knowledge on plant protection measures also, which will consider of plant pathology, entomology, weeds. There should be proper disease, insect and pest control methods, pesticides, its formulations and mode of actions. Animal husbandry and livestock is one of the important subject which is coming in agriculture examinations. Then there is introduction to common feed and fodder crops, their classification, plant breeding and genetics, and this under animal science there should be poultry industry, its role, then aquaculture and resources management and its exploitation. So all there are broad topics covering agriculture, so there should be well knowledge and theoretical and a good preparation to beat the online exams. Agriculture is also covering the farm and agriculture engineering sections like farm machinery and power, sources of power on the farm, then water harvesting structures, agro processing and controlled and modified storage systems. As agriculture economy is concerned, it is covering the topics related to direct and indirect farm subsidies, minimum support prices, public distribution systems, where we should have well knowledge about its objective, functioning, limitations, revamping and maintaining buffer stocks and food security. Related to this, there are also technology missions, economics of animals, that food processing and related industries, supply chain management, land reforms in India, and then agriculture production economics and agriculture marketing and price analysis, price fluctuations, e-names and other new platforms which are developed by the farmers for sales and produce of farmers products. This is the thumbnail of one of my video, important agriculture books for competitive exams, which uploaded recently, and this video consists of book list of important books of various disciplines like agronomy, soil science, plant breeding, entomology, plant pathology, seed technology and animal science, agrometeorology. So after visiting this video you can get the list of numerous books and which are very important and really fruitful for the various competitive exams. I have given here link and also given in description. Having request, please visit and go through all those books which are very important and really given mileage to number of candidates to get selected in various competitions. As agriculture section is concerned related to FCI examinations, I have uploaded number of videos which will cover various topics which are playing important in these exams. So I have given here the list of videos which have been uploaded on my YouTube channel. So if anyone needs, they can go to the my YouTube channel and visit about the respective topics. These links already I have given in description also. So after visiting, you can see the respective topics which are needed for you, and these are all these titles are very important for the not FCI but other agriculture competitive examinations also. These videos are in continuations which have been uploaded and the link is given in description. Here I have given the list of some books which are available online and you can download the PDF forms. These are really very good books and you can download and we can prepare what are the topics needed, and all these books are very important as having the good content. These are another books which are available and you can download the PDF formats. These books are from ICR and having very good content. Now other sections of syllabus for exams, there is computer awareness, where we should have knowledge about history of computers, basics of software, hardware, its operations, internet and services, MS Office, MS Word, PowerPoint, networking and communication, database, and security, memory and other related to the computer functioning. This slide regarding states and examination centers. All candidates and applicants are requested to reach the examination center well in advance to avoid any problems or delay at last moment. So this presentation was all about FCI AGM syllabus, examination, selection process, etc. Hope this will be useful to all of you and it will give directions for the preparations and wishes best for all of you to get the selected. Here I have given my YouTube channel details, Journey with Vijay Kumar Srivastava. Having request to visit the channel, subscribe it and provide your kind and valuable feedback. Thank you.